15. 15 reads, when a sawmill produces boards, it also simultaneously produces sawdust, which can be used as fuel in biomass plants. If the price of boards rises, then it's asking for the answer will be what the effect on sawdust is. Does demand increase? Does the demand decrease? Does the supply increase? Does the supply decrease? So again, we want to draw our supply and demand curve for the product or the good that we're trying to figure out what's happening to. So in this case, it's going to be sawdust. So we know that sawdust is produced simultaneously when sawmills produce pieces of wood, when they produce boards. So basically we know that sawdust is a complementary product to wooden boards. In other words, as far as supply goes, a complementary product is any product that's also produced when one certain product is produced. So a good example is petroleum. You have petroleum, but when you produce petroleum, you get other complementary goods. You get gas, you get diesel, you get kerosene, you get jet fuel, you get a bunch of other goods. And from our list of different factors that affect the supply curves, we know that when the price of a complementary good rises, the supply of that good rises. So in this case, boards is a complementary good to sawdust, just like sawdust is a complementary good to boards. So if the price of the boards increase, boards are a complementary good to sawdust, then the price of sawdust is going to increase. Then the supply of sawdust is going to increase. So this is sawdust. And it's only asking you what's happening to the supply or demand curves. It's not asking you for the price or the quantity. So just knowing that the supply increases is enough to answer this question, which is C. And if you think about this in more common sense terms, it just makes sense. If a certain good raises in price, producers are going to want to produce more of it. Meaning that whatever good is also produced as an effect of producing that normal good. So if boards go up in price, obviously producers are going to want to produce more boards. And you can't really not make sawdust when you're producing boards. So it's just kind of the consequence of the price of boards going up is that you're going to produce more sawdust. So the answer is C.